Hi everyone, welcome back. I've had a request to make a beautiful loaf cake which I'd forgotten all about. Margaret from my ICA group asked me if I would make a marble loaf cake. She said her mum used to make this when she was young and she'd love to be able to give it a go. Well, my mother made this as well, not very often. I remember the first time she made it, sitting beside her and being amazed when it came out of the oven and we cut into it just to see the lovely marble effect in the cake. It's a really easy cake to make, and we're going to start with some butter. You can use butter or margarine, and just make sure it's nice and soft because it makes it easier to mix it in. Into here we're going to add in sugar, a pinch of salt, eggs, self-raising flour, and I'm also going to add in some vanilla extract. And the last ingredient for the minute is some milk. I'm going to mix this together now for about 2 minutes till it's nice and soft and fluffy. And that's it. I'm going to just scrape down the sides with a spatula. Make sure all the flour is fully mixed in, and it is. Now I'm going to put half the mixture into another bowl. So this will be my vanilla mixture. Perfect, set that to one side for a minute. I've got some cocoa powder here and a little bit of warm water. Just keep mixing it till you get it into a paste, and that's perfect. Get that in there, all of it. And we're going to mix it in now. Grab your spatula and give it another mix. And this is ready now. Set this to one side and get your loaf tin. This is a 2-pound loaf tin, 900 grams, and I've greased it a little and lined it. Now I just take my two mixtures, my vanilla one and my chocolate one, and I'm going to alternate them in the tin. So I'm going to start with some vanilla. Doesn't really matter how much you add in. Then on top of the vanilla, I'm going to put chocolate, vanilla, and the last of the chocolate. So get a skewer or a knife or a spoon, and I'm going to just go down like this and swirl it in. This will give it a nice marble effect. Go down, right down to the bottom. Go all the way around. And there you have it, my marble loaf cake, and this is going to go into the oven now for about 50 to 60 minutes. Well, my marble cake is fully baked. Took it out of the oven a good few hours ago, and it's a good job because my electricity went off just as I took it out of the oven, and it's been off for the last 2 hours. So here it is. It's risen really well. It's a lovely colour. I like the mix of the vanilla and the chocolate through it. Can't wait to cut into it. So let's get it out of the tin now. It's baked really well on the side and on the bottom. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm really happy with that. Lovely and moist, absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And it's baked really well. And you can see my chocolate, my vanilla, beautiful. Okay, let's cut a slice of this and see what it's like on the inside. Time to see how this turned out. It's so easy to cut, lovely and soft. Just look at that beautiful swirl inside, the perfect marble cake, a lovely combination of chocolate and vanilla there. I'm going to break this piece in half, and it's so tender and moist. This is exactly what you want in this type of cake. That's really nice, so good. You get the best of both worlds, rich chocolate and soft vanilla in every bite. And that's it everyone, my marble loaf cake. And don't forget to let me know if you give this a try. I'd love to hear how yours turns out. Happy baking everyone, enjoy.